It's making a bottom wick first, so it'll probably pump back up.
Okay. See how this turns out.
See how today goes. Right up.
You gonna have an intro down for YouTube?
Nah, they can come in, they can cash up pips and dip. Nah, no intro. It's not video. Alright. Damn, gold is coming up. Gold with a tap TP. Gold with a tap
Would you
TP.
enter?
Gold technically tap TP. The spreads are too high, but I've seen this move coming. Seen it. Right here.
Yeah, as soon as his ass got
50
this
pips. Bro, as soon as I saw the 10 pip spread, it went from 5 to 10. Like, yo, I'm out of this trade. But yo, this is easy trade. Like, easy trade. Fuck, I should have kept it.
Yeah, as soon as he tapped on gold, he was like, I'm getting in.
Like, I recorded it. I literally got them. Like, you know what? Oh, spreads are 5 pips now. Oh no, see, it's coming back up. Yeah, man, spreads is fucked. I literally got it though. I closed at break even. Where'd I get in again? Let me check. I got in at 1591.43. That was 30 pips right there. 30 pips. Ah, why are gold spreads so high, man? I miss gold so much. Oh, yo, your GJ is dropping. Did you get in?
Not get it.
Yeah, I think I don't know. This far looks bullish.
It doesn't have a top wick.
Yeah.
I don't really want to enter.
This might be a pullback. I don't know. It's breaking the previous kind of low though, so this might not be a good sign.
Yeah.
30-minute close bearish. So now we have a nice resistance right here. You can call that a resistance right here. Yeah. Not really fucking with this just yet. Jimmy. What up, Jimmy?
Yo, what's up, man?
Why you sound so tired for, bro?
He said tired as shit.
Yo, this
Bro,
guy.
I'm not tired, bro.
This guy's
I'm
hot.
just sick, man.
Oh, damn.
Bro, look. I'm gonna be completely honest. I think I got it, bro. I think I got it.
You think you got it?
Yo, like,
Yo.
I think, cause, bro, look.
Get off the mic.
Out of nowhere. I woke up out of nowhere, bro. I lost my taste and smell. Like, bro, no. Cause it was like, that's one of the symptoms people get when they have it. I'm like, no.
Yeah, it's a dream, bro.
Dead ass.
You being serious though?
Dead serious, bro. Like these past few days, I couldn't smell or taste nothing, bro. So tomorrow,
Damn.
I'm going to the doctor to see what's up. Cause, bro, this is not normal, bro. Like, I feel normal. I just don't have my taste and smell. That's it. Cause what I've been reading, when people have it, they be vomiting, losing breath and shit. I'm like, whoa. I just don't know. I can't taste it smell right now.
Can't taste or smell?
Yeah.
That's
Prayers
rare.
up for Jimmy, y'all. Prayers up for Jimmy.
Bro.
He's good. He's gonna be good. He's good. He's in my hands, you know. I got him. Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, man.
You can't catch it through the microphone?
Nah, I don't think so. I mean, I can try.
I'm finna hop off the mic.
Fucking Don's petty, bro.
Man, I'm petty because I was letting this gold buy, man. This is such a nice position.
Yeah.
I got in right here with a stop loss below this and a TP of right here. And you know what? The spreads literally came up from like 5 pips to 20 pips. So I technically caught 10 pips and I just dipped. I closed them. Like, no, I'm not messing with this spread. So Fuck, this is a good trade though. Tell you that. In like 10 minutes, I could if I held it. No, if this 5-minute close is bearish, remember high chance coming back down here to fill this wick. You see how you see how this candle doesn't have a wick?
Right.
This candle doesn't have a wick. So watch. If this candle closes bearish at the top of the resistance, this candle has a high chance coming back down to fill this wick. You're gonna see it. I've seen this. I've seen it.
So you gonna get in?
No, I'm not getting in, but I can call like I can kind of figure out where candle's gonna go. So if this candle closes bearish, then you're gonna see is you're gonna fill this. You're gonna see this wick get filled because this didn't have a bottom wick. So usually this candle's gonna come back down and make that bottom wick. And it's gonna break structure. Then eventually it's gonna come back here and it's gonna range a little bit. There might come up later on. When it comes up later on, you're gonna see some shit like this maybe. Like it's gonna come down.
Jobless claims about to come out today. Oh brother.
Oh, there's news today?
Yeah. Initial
Yeah.
jobless claims.
Oh, unemployment claims. Yeah, bad news. Wait, let me see. 200. Oh yeah, hold on. Actually, let's.
Bro, if we
Yeah,
can
it's
do
bad.
a
It's bad. It's
breakout-
bad news. It's bad news. But I'm not gonna trade it, obviously. But it should be bad news. Should be.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna wait till after that news to happen.
Yeah, it all depends. It all depends on this. It all depends on this folder. If
That
this
shit about-
if this folder comes out negative and this folder comes out positive, it's gonna be a positive. It's gonna be an up. Right? Because if they both come up negative, then we should be good.
Bro, it'd be like an NFP, huh?
Nah, it's not. I shouldn't move it as much. It's because tomorrow. Like, this is. Cause isn't this just the weekly claims? This is the past week though. Yeah, so NFP is like the past 4 weeks. So what these are just like the past like week. Like every week they have this, and after NFP is just everything combined. It's just connected off.
But nah.
Oh,
That hit
GJ
from
coming
like
down.
Fake out last time. When it was the unemployment thing, but then like it skyrocketed. I almost hopped in to sell, but bruh, if I hopped in that sell, I wouldn't have been done for it, bro.
Oh,
I just
GJ.
lost. I'm like, man.
GJ, yo Sam, you should have entered.
I should have sold that.
You called
That
it,
shit died.
cause I would have entered, but it's just that I didn't have enough confirmations here, cause like I only seen this resistance
I don't know
right
why,
here.
I just wish I opened with like a little top hook and then came down.
Yeah,
Dang, I missed
it-
it.
if I seen like if I seen like more resistance, like if this happens again, yeah, I'll enter. Cause this can if I usually enter on this bearish candle right here.
Yeah.
But yeah, if we had like maybe one more retest here or something, I would have entered. But this didn't seem like a valid resistance for me yet, so I'm like, fuck it, I'm staying out.
I mean, if we're crossing out the doji, then
Yeah.
that should,
Oh yeah,
should
yeah.
make the top hook.
Oh, so
It should come.
gold's gonna go back up.
It should come up to here. It shouldn't come down to here though. Looking at GJ, easily come down to there.
Oil gonna go back up.
Oil?
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't touched that in weeks. I don't think I'm gonna touch it again. No, mess with the pair. What up, everyone? What up? What up? Somebody enter cells. Yeah. Nice. Oh shit. Yeah, we should come down, tap this resistance right here. Nice support for one right here. So I think maybe looking at this, tell you that might reject. It might have some trouble here. If it breaks this, it should come down, but it's gonna have some trouble based off the fact that we have a minor resistance right here. This wick may resistance, this resistance, support. So it might have some trouble right here. If it breaks this, then it'll probably come down to like maybe here. But we're in this range right now, still. This got broken. Yeah, this got broken.
Morning, boys.
What up? What up?
What's going on?
How's gold? Yup, coming up. Where are the spreads? Yo, when are they gonna fix the spreads, man?
Never.
Cause I literally got in, man. That
Found out, bro, that people be popping 100 lots, making easy money off it.
fucking Uncle Ted here. It's just so easy to look at, like. This candle made a high, this candle made a low, right? This candle made a high, candle closed bullish below the zone. This candle came up, broke this resistance. This candle retested the same resistance. Gold is my kid.
Thank you. I'm with you.
Nah,
Bro,
man.
when I
Gold,
tell
gold,
you,
gold
bro.
is the best thing ever.
Like, just like I said yesterday, bro. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's not. Most of the time it's not.
You gotta be hot all the time.
Yeah, man. You
But,
gotta be
yeah.
hot all the time, man. It's consistency.
I can't be hot all the time with gold, bro. Like, I don't know.
Look at this. This is a fake out right here. This kind of came down to fake out. This kind of came back into the range. This kind of broke the range. Now it should come up to this level.
Once I saw that liquidity grab, what it did.
Nah,
today,
man.
yo,
It's only
I
your
don't have
broker.
it.
My broker did not have it. Cause you have an unregulated. You have an unregulated broker, bro. You got it. This is.
Yeah.
That's how you see that.
Nah,
That was a
liquidity
1,000.
grab.
That was a 1,000 pip drop.
Yeah. And that rise though. Sheesh. Imagine if I had a buy limit. I'll be done for the week, bro. A buy limit at 15.10 and let that bitch hit and then go right back up. Done deal. Fuck
Yo,
it.
it's one of those. There's one of those ones where you put a buy limit and you forget about it. After all of a sudden one day it hits randomly. You're like, oh shit.
It's one of those like no brainers, and then like whatever happens, happens. Bro, just imagine if I had a buy limit at 15.10 and let that shit all done for the week.
What up, everyone? How's your morning going? Everyone good? Send me some charts. Let me look at some charts. Early bird gets the worm. Market's a little slow today. Well, as of right now, it's kind of not moving. But we should pick up. I mean, we could have made something out. We could have made something out of that GG stuff. Just that I didn't have enough resistance here. Because this wasn't good enough resistance for me. I didn't like it.
This has to be one of the most slowest of the few weeks ever. Like, gee. I remember when I first started trading, NFT used to be like lightning fast. Everything was moving. And then now it's just like slow.
Give me like 1 second. Hold down. I think you guys can draw on my screen and shit. Like, yes, if you guys have ideas, you guys can just like talk about it and just guys can use annotations. Or just don't do anything.
Yo.
Stupid. Nah. Yeah, you guys can draw my shit. I think. Yeah.
Cool, Jers. Fall. Yeah. Being a prophet, baby.
But I got hit with the most meanest take got last night, bro. I was like, I'm done for the night.
Yo, yesterday I took before the stream ended, cause like I entered three trades yesterday. The first two were good, and after I tried to force the third one. Well, I didn't force it. I see the third one. I took it, and then it took too long, and it was like around 10 o'clock. I'm like, yo, it's taking too long. I'm not gonna try to stay in the stream for that long. After I'm like, you know what? Fuck, I'm gonna close. Right when I closed it, it just hit TP like instantly. It's like cause everyone took the signal. After when everyone like closed it, I guess the markets are like, you know what? We've seen a bunch of closed orders. We're gonna sell it now. That's what I did. That's my myth. Yeah. This 1 hour candle does not have a top wick, so this is, as long as I think price respects this low, should be good to continue up. I'm still bullish on GJ for today. Unless the 4-hour flips or something, but this 4-hour close is bullish, then we should be good.
Yeah, if the 4-hour close like this, I'll be perfect.
Yeah. Up. Yeah. Should be good. I think what it's doing right now is it might be coming down to like maybe this area. It might respect this and it just continue up.
Wait, what was that? 24 right now? Okay. What type of buck is he at?
What pairs? Yo, send your charts, guys. Stream and like up the stream, like up. It helps. Let's get 20 likes today. Yesterday we got 20. Today let's do another 20. Every day, 20, 20. 20 likes.
GJ could come back up. I think.
15 minutes just opened.
Or nah.
Nah,
I was
nah.
looking at, sorry, I was looking at 5 minutes. Yeah, nah.
I mean, you might, cause look, it might come up, cause look.
I mean, it tapped a little.
Yeah,
support,
this is a support, and this kind of
I
open.
need to see
This
if
kind
we
this
can
kind of
push
is this kind of is bullish. So I think once you pass this, then this could be your stop loss. But yeah, it's a 5 minute. Yeah. Yeah. It could come up because once it breaks this high, breaking structure, because it failed to break this low, him coming back up from support. Yeah, might come up from here. Just a 5 minute. So if you were to get in, your stops would have to be. I wouldn't want this to be my first trade of the day though.
No, I'm not taking it.
Yeah, not my, like maybe if it was like my third trade I might take it, but my first trade of the day I'm not taking this.
If the 15-minute closes bullish, I might.
Yeah, 15-minute close bullish.
If we get 3 fucking 5-minute bear bullish candles.
Yeah, that'd be a good confirmation. I'd rather have a 30-minute, because the 30-minute doesn't have a top wick, right? So it might come up to make a top wick, as well as the hourly candle. And the previous candle closed doji, so this candle is invalid. This candle is not valid. Right, so this candle doesn't matter. Even if it broke this low, it doesn't matter, because this is just a doji. It didn't do anything. Bro, what the hell? 1 hour. Why is it? That's weird. Why did it do that? Yeah, it should close doji. Look at this. Cover that up. So now you have this top wick that has to be made. It should come bullish. I have a huge wick to the bottom though, that's the thing. What up, everyone? What other pairs are there right now? Oh. So CAD GPY, this is bearish right now. We have a nice support formed right here. Should continue to come down, break that support, eventually come down here today. So that wick, these wicks. Now we're just in consolidation. Daily, let's see, markup zones. We got this support being held, and you have this support being held. Those two are held, and you got going down here 4 hour. So if this 4 hour close is bearish, then you have a high chance coming back down. Based on the fact that it's bouncing off at this resistance. So breaks is low, should come down. 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame looks bearish, right? We had this resistance over here. So this could come down, CAD JPY. It's a little messy right now, but come down. Yeah, I'm not messing with this pair right now though. What pairs you guys looking at in chat?
Look at oil.
Hey, this 5-minute close doji, this 5-minute respect that previous candle low. This should come up. Expecting. 15-minute closes in 10 minutes. If this closes bullish, then we have a high chance coming up, a very high chance. Because this push down was a pre-New York move.
It says that stocks are about to open up a little bit higher today, and then oil says it's rising there too.
Best time to buy oil right now, I guess.
Oil, let me look at this. So oil is looking, bounce off this for support. I don't know where I had the support from, but bounce off this support. Closed bearish yesterday, so it broke the yesterday's low, right? So, well, it broke last week's low. Just kind of close. Oh yeah. Yesterday kind of closed bullish. Just kind of should respect that low and come up to eventually here. I think oil could touch 24 today or tomorrow. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's 4-hour close like this. Got this top wick right here. Yeah, it's bullish. Come out to here.
Yeah, cause.
Yeah, 20 should come up to like 22, 24. Yeah, it's gonna break this range and eventually come up to this range and fill these candles right here. To see how I break this minus 1 hour resistance first. Yeah, bullish. People ask, how did I mark up so fast?
He does it real fast, really fast.
Practice. Cause look, what did this do on the daily time frame? We have a fake out right here. This is a fake out. Price came back to the range, retested the range. This should come up to fill the range and eventually come up to maybe here later on. Cause we have a gap to fill here too, so have a high chance coming up to there. But yeah, it just takes a lot of practice. Just doing the same thing every day is getting used to it. It's like second nature later. Even if I don't mark up, I can just tell the direction.
Yeah, if you be on these YouTubes and Zoom calls every day.
Like looking at US 30, looking at US 30 without doing anything, I can tell you that today's trend is. Let me see. Today's trend. Well, right now, yeah, we had this support. This should come up. Fill these wicks. Yeah, I think might be bullish for a little bit. I think might be bullish for a little bit, but the overall trend is sell. But right now, it's gonna be bullish for a little bit. I think when the news drop, it's gonna come down because yesterday's daily kind of closed bearish below these kind of wicks, so it should come down. But if today's day kind of closes bullish, then yeah, we're gonna probably head back up to these levels up here. Yeah, looks bullish right now. Not in it, not trading it though. This guy Jimmy loves US 30. Why you trade Jimmy? Yeah, I used to love US 30 too. I don't know. I don't know why I don't trade it anymore. Yeah, yes, sir. Yo, GJ is coming back up. You see?
Yeah.
It's breaking these highs. If I took a trade this morning, I would have took this trade. But since this is like my first trade of the day, I don't want to take a little more risky trade because this is just a 5-minute confirmation. Man, if this is a 15-minute, I would have entered, or 30-minute, I would have 100% entered. 100%.
Yeah.
Because you have this support here, just kind of close bullish with a wick to fill.
30-minute also has a wick to fill though.
Yeah. And plus this doesn't have a top wick, right? So it's kind of
yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah, so it's gonna come back up eventually. If you look at it, it's just a pullback because this is a doji, so we're still respecting this low over here. That's all that matters. This is now a strong support. You can say that. That's a good thing. We have more information. So if it comes back into the range, it's gonna fill this range and then come back up here because this will be a fake out. Play of the day right here. So maybe if it comes like this, let's say these candles form like this, do this shit. Say we have candle closes bullish, and the next candle comes up bullish, comes to the range like this. And this kind of has a high chance of making a wick. Continuing bullish, past this range. Their next candle is gonna come up. Eventually break that high. You're gonna see some shit like this. Cause we're gonna respect this low. And we got this range and we got this range. So we got 2 more levels, but once you pass this level, if you come back into the range, I'm entering buys. But this is a fake out. And also this counts on close bullish, so. Because we have 30 minutes till the next hourly candle, so I'm anticipating that this hourly candle is gonna flip bullish.
Yeah.
Yeah. 30 minute. Let's see how 30 minute is, because 30 minutes kind of crucial. A 50 minute should build up to the 30 minute. So I think, yeah, because if you come back to the range, then we'll come back to this price, which will make this candle bullish. 33,700. Yep. So back into the range, I'm in. Cause this is just a liquidity grabber, then and it's gonna turn bullish. It's gone. Yeah, throw it back to my chats. Call it U3 only.
I'm in a cat JPY stuff,
Oh shit. Let me look.
like halfway to TP. I enter on a
Oh yeah,
15.
yeah. I think I talked about this earlier. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot where I said I was gonna go to though. I think I said today's goal target is probably gonna be down here. Like today's target, like the overall target for today probably 74.
Yeah.
Yesterday's daily is closed bearish below this range, below this wick, so the structure is broken. It should continue making higher. This is a higher high made. This should be a lower high low. I mean, lower low. Yeah. Yeah. It should be good. What up, everyone? What's up, everyone on YouTube? Yo, do you guys have MT5 or MT4?
MT4.
Yeah, I have MT4, but I want to make a switch to MT5. But yeah, I don't know why. I just want to make a switch, but I don't want to get used to it.
I like how it looks.
Yeah, I don't want to get used.
But
I'm just so used to like MT4, and I don't know. It's just I'm gonna stick with what I started with. Yeah, I don't fuck with MT5, but it looks
Don't
cool.
fix it. If
MT5,
it's not broke,
you get like more options.
don't fix it.
I just like how when you close partial, it'll show you that you close partial, you know, and people won't think you're just like over leveraging or whatever, or over like trading. Because when I close partial, you're gonna see like 8 positions, and it's one position, but it's gonna be 8 positions because I'm closing half, then closing custom, because I'm using magic keys, right? So I'm closing half, then closing half again, then closing custom and shit. I'm always doing that. So one position looks like 8 positions later on. But on MT4, it'll show you that. It'll show like 2 of 6 or 4 of 6 lots, you know? 1 of 6, and just a bunch of shit. Yeah. GCAT is coming up. I don't trade this pair today though. Not today. Yesterday did kind of close bullish. You know, nice support. Kind of should continue up then. Thinking maybe here today. Yeah, I'm bullish on like mostly all GBP pairs today.
50 minute is closed.
Bullish?
Yeah. But he closed with no
Bullish.
conflict.
Yeah, so the 2 things can happen here. This can come straight down, or this kind of could mean that it has so much momentum that's gonna push up.
Bro, I
So
just
let's
don't
see.
like it when it has.
It's under the range though, so I wouldn't enter it just yet. Alright, I'll wait for
Yeah.
it to come in the range and just make a thing. Might as well wait for the 30-minute close then. Cause 30-minute close bearish. So this is a nice resistance then, cause price just respected it. Let's see. Yes, low. I already entered buys up from up here though. Like up above here, you should be good. Like here to here, golden. 45.40. This is like an early. This is like an early entry you can get. You would have had a nice entry down here. Just leave stops at entry and let it run to up here. Let's see. Yeah, see. So this kind of, I think it's gonna come down now because if it breaks this low, then it's gonna continue coming back down. It's in a range then. Breaks this low. No top wick means two things: no momentum or just hello momentum.
Reversal.
Yeah, reversal or yeah. So that it's gonna reverse because this breaking the low of this. So this should come down, maybe to like back here into range. So when it comes back to the range, let's see, it's coming back in the range. If it comes back into the range and we have another 5-minute bullish candle at the bottom, I'm gonna enter. Ooh, USD news came out. Small news came out. China jobs cuts, job cuts. Damn, they cut jobs. So yeah, this is crazy. See how it reacted. Small minor news though. Come down. Yep. Bouncing off this support. Maybe this was a fake on US 30. You have this resistance. You have this bottom range. So this came back, filled the range, and it's coming back down to maybe here. This level first, and then later on it's gonna come down to here. But can't be focused on that. Can't be focused on GJ. Not looking at other pairs of GJ. Send me a charts. Send me charts. Honestly, I don't think it matters if you use MT4 or MT5 if you're on your desktop. Oh. Michael. It's a sunny day today. It's gonna be a good day. It's like super sunny today. It's like 11 degrees later. I'm definitely going outside today.
Yeah, I have to.
Where are you going? Work?
Not like I have to just get outside.
Oh, I played hockey yesterday. Like
Stay over.
in my neighborhood.
Like Gretzky looking at.
Bro, I'm probably the only Asian you'll see playing hockey.
Dang.
Like, I used to play ball, but I stopped playing ball. Played ball, like hockey and shit.
Yeah, I used to play ball a lot, but
I don't do sports, bro.
Yeah.
Like, bro, after like I broke my hand in baseball, I never want to
Baseball?
play again, bro. Yeah, this like
This
bruh,
guy,
let me tell you, like,
this guy tried to pitch. This guy had a pitch for the Atlanta Braves.
Look. So I was at bat, right? And we was going against one of the private schools, whatever. Bruh, I seen like their coach do this weird hand signal. I'm like, what the hell type of ball is that? Bruh, this man threw the most dirtiest freaking curve ever. Like it curved like it was up and then it was gonna drop. bro, it went straight to my hand, and like my hand like cracked. I'm like, bro, what the fuck did you just do to me, bro?
Did he swing?
Bruh, hell,
you
I
swang
couldn't
it,
swing,
right?
bruh. Like it went, look, it curved straight up and went straight to my hand, and like I'm like, bruh, switch me out, bruh, cause I couldn't feel my hand at all. I'm like, yo, my shit is broken, bruh.
Yo.
Like my whole bone, like you see my hand, like big ass dent, and I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, yo, like that's on my left hand, like I don't have like that much grip with it. Like this shit slick hurt now, but it's not like when it first happened. Plus it was cold, so it was just like rubbing it in. I'm like, God damn, this shit fucking hurt.
It's funny,
That's why I
bro.
don't like playing private schools, bro. Like, bro, that was the most dirtiest pitch ever, and they knew what they was doing, bro. I'm be real. I wasn't firing anything. It just looked like, damn, that shit hurted. then like, I'm like, bro. Then like they told me to go to base because when you get hit, you go to base. Then I'm like, bro, switch me out. I can't even fucking feel my hand, bro. That shit hurt. That shit hurt.
Yeah, fuck
bro.
that.
And hell no, never again, bro. Fucking have PTSD at that fucking moment, bro. I was like, bro, I was finna like charge at this man, but I was like, again, where a fucking private school?
This guy tried pitching for the Atlanta Braves.
Nah, bro, hell no.
Oh, you're from Atlanta, right? Yeah, you're from Atlanta.
Yeah, I'm from Atlanta. Nah, bro, I used to play catcher, bro. Like the one that be catcher for the
That's
pitcher,
brutal.
bro. That shit was lit, no lie.
Yeah.
I don't like playing catcher because you're just fucking squatting all day.
Yeah, I used to have them fucking.
What game?
I used to have baseball.
Oh.
Yeah, I used to have them killer knees, bro. Used to be in that bitch forever. Then, bro, like when my friends pitching, bro, it's done deal. But bro, when it was like this one Asian kid from like Thailand, whatever, bro, he used to throw some crazy ass shit. But I always managed to catch that shit. But bro, this man like be throwing hard as shit for no reason, bro. Like, bro, when I mean that shit hard, bro. One time I almost got my shit fucked up. Like he was throwing super low, and bro, I almost fucking demolished my nuts, bro. Bro.
Yo, wait, I swear you get an international walk for that. What's it called? International walk? Something like that.
Intentional walk.
Intentional. Isn't it international? No, it's intentional.
No, it's in the.
Nah,
But yeah, bro.
I swear I've seen like when I was younger, I seen someone say it was like intentional or I didn't know it was intentional, but international. I thought it was international.
International.
No, I don't watch baseball, bro. I'm just
Intentional, bro.
Watch out.
like I know intentional foul in basketball, but I thought it was international walk because I thought they meant like you get a free home run, so I think you walk around the whole odd bases. That's why I thought it was international. I sound stupid right now, so I'm not even gonna talk on baseball. Alright, but back to doing what I'm decent at. Back to forex.
Bro, everything's moving so freaking slow, man.
Do you think
That'd
the
be
water
good.
will be cold at 80 degrees?
No. No. I think it'll be like warm.
Mr. International.
International. To be honest, bro, I think I know where I messed up this week on the bad trades. I been getting caught in like consolidation,
You?
and then yeah,
What'd you do?
I don't know. I just been getting caught in like the ranges this week.
Yeah, man. See?
The US 30.
If you mark out your ranges, you know you never get caught up in the range. Nah,
Yeah,
but
that's the only thing I've been losing this week. US 30.
we have this 15-minute account close bullish. We have a high chance coming back up because if this 15-minute candle respects this low, anticipating now this is the 30-minute low, then we have a high chance coming back up to here. But this kind of has to close bullish and we have to respect this low. What time is it? 7:40. So the 15-minute candle is about to come in. Hey, yo, Sam.
Yo.
I think Raja took bias here. I don't know why. On this candle.
DJ?
Yeah, he took bias on this candle. It makes sense.
Hold up. Which candle?
This candle over here. He entered from here. He wanted to.
Wow.
I think he got faked out. He thought this was a fake out because it didn't come in the range, but I think. Yeah, I think he got stopped though or something. I don't know.
Damn.
Balenciaga. I'm very patient now. If you guys are like, you know, if you guys are probably wondering in chat, yo, how come you're not entering positions? Because I don't see no setup.
You gotta be patient, bro.
And I'm not gonna hop into another pair because I don't see that setup. Like I'm focused on like maybe gold today. Well, not really. I'm not really trading it, but GJ and like maybe like I'm gonna pick one more later on, but I don't know which one yet. I'm picking one more. So looking at whichever one has the best setup, but
Man,
it might be Cat
that's the way
JP.
exotic.
Nah, man, no. Nah.
US oil lit right now, bro. What, $30?
I like might start messing with USD mix.
Nah. Too much for me, bro. USD ZAR, nah, too much for me.
Nah,
Reds.
I don't touch ZAR because they put the spreads up on purpose.
They need their earnings, man. LT support.
QT support. The spreads up because we know use profiting. We be fair. The better is too easy, so we have to bump it up to 1600 spread. You will not get the snipe position here.
This 5-minute candle close is bullish. No. Too much. No top wick again. Oh man. You know what that means?
No, that doesn't mean Mr. Don Bull.
Hey, didn't I mention gold sells from up here? I'm like, if the candle closes bearish, I'm gonna come down to here. Aha. Broke this low. Yeah. Man, if gold was... Oh, man, I wish gold spreads were just normal. Man. Cause I think today's our first day of the week where I didn't get a trade in before the stream started. I usually get a trade in before the stream starts. I can feel a little bit of weight off my shoulders, but then we got a lot of viewers today. Well, consistently, we got 30 viewers consistently. Leave a like. I know we didn't enter any positions yet, but it'll come. Trust me, it'll come. We'll get a nice buy in for GJ later, or whatever. So if wherever it goes, but. Just, you know, be patient. Leave a like. Subscribe. We just hit 200 subscribers. Let's get to 300 by this month. Let's go. Shit's all free. Is GU going up or some shit? Why is everyone talking about GU? Oh no, it's not doing anything.
Alright.
GU this, GU that.
Tip. GU moves to GJ. Just look at them like on trading view, like
Yeah, I know.
real fast,
They're pound pairs.
and then boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a tip. Tip from land. From El Daniel Savage. That dude's a fucking beast, man.
You know, all pound pairs move like I think GCAD, GU. It's just like GU and GJ is moving by the yen mostly. But since London it's not Asian anymore, it's gonna move by the pound, right? And so whatever GJ does during the session right now is gonna follow along with GU because this is the New York. So GU would be like the pair that you want to trade during this session because it's the New York and London overlap. So GU is like the best pair to trade right now. I don't fuck with GU as much as GJ. But yeah, that's why GJ moved like during this time. So GCAD's just gonna follow along. The Canadian dollar moves a little different from the US dollar. A little different, but it should follow along. Gold coming down. US 30 coming down. 15 minutes out of close, so let's see how it closed. It closed bearish with no top wick, so yeah. Range might get filled or it might come up to here. Let's see. So we might get a move in within the next hour, because if this hour candle closes bullish, I'm probably gonna enter longs. But if we close bearish, then I'm gonna see how it looks. We're still in a range overall. As I know, not every day is a trading day. So if today's not a trading day, then it's not a trading day. But the day just started though, so pretty sure we'll get a lot of opportunities today. But what you don't want to do is this is what you don't want to do. Let's say nothing moves right now for the next like hour, like for the next like 30 minutes. So now you're just forcing trades in, right? Because you want to trade, but later on when it moves, you won't have a valid account because you blow your account on a range. So now you can't trade because you already took your 2 trades for a day and you took impulsive trades. So it's better just wait it out and take that trade, like high probability trade, because it'll play out. Like yesterday, I took 2 trades. There, I was gonna take a 3rd trade. I took it. I got in. I got out though, because I got 2 dubs off of 2 trades, so that's like my limit. I'm done after that, right? But I wanted to take a 3rd trade because I was feeling like a little confident. Even though the move played out, I closed at break even. But the thing is with that is, since you entered that 3rd trade and you close at break even and you seen it play out later, you're thinking to yourself now, fuck, I should have stayed in that move. Now you're gonna want to revenge trade that move for no reason. So that was a challenge I had with myself yesterday. So I just got off the charts, I went outside, I did whatever, and I just didn't look at the charts. Because I was close to entering another trade. I was like, fuck, I need to chase that move, but I said no. 2 trades, perfect, 40 pips, I'm good. So now I'm here. My session. So now I'm gonna trade. And after like a couple hours, after like a day, like today comes and it's like a brand new day. You don't have that feeling of chasing that trade anymore. You're gonna be like, oh, more opportunities are gonna come. So it's best to just follow your rules no matter what. What up, Alex? Hey, your chat's dead. What are you guys looking at? Let me your charts. Let's discuss.
Damn,
Let's
what
discuss
the
some charts.
fuck?
What happened? What happened? US 30 dropped. What happened?
Oh, nah.
That's the first thing
USD
he
Max.
thinks.
Nah, USD Max.
Jobs claims
Oh,
will be
bro.
huge.
Bro, I was about to put another sell, but it's too late to get in the position. Cause I got in the sell and got out. Cause it started looking like a little bit wonky. But I should stay. It is what it is. It is what it is.
This kind of broke the previous kind of high, so this should continue coming up easily. Come up to maybe 21,256. There's gonna make the Audi kind of close bullish. So when the Audi kind of closes bullish, this is gonna head up because we have this resistance right here, US 30. Then this is the next resistance over here. Got some room over here. So guessing from here you can catch that little move. Low buy. This would be the this is just range right now though. It's low. Shit we're in. This is gonna close bearish. This is gonna be a boring day. Tar sleep? Yo, Tar, this guy always hops on a call. This guy meets himself and goes back to sleep.
Bro, I've been up since 1 this morning.
You're from Arizona, bro. Your time zone is.
I know you're at like, what time is it?
It's like
You're
it's
7
it's
o'clock.
7. It's like 8 a.m. Yeah.
Bro, I only had 2 hours, hour and 30 minutes of sleep.
This man is a champ.
Dedicated, bro.
This guy just fucks with the streams like that.
Nah, bro. When I tell you, I hopped off the stream to take like another like quick nap, bro. And I woke up and US 30 was still ranging. I was waiting for it to like get out of range, but it was still ranging. I'm like, bro, what is happening?
But you trade GJ too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be a slow ass day, bro.
Hey, somebody sent a chart.
Bro, this whole week's been slow, to be real with you, man. No,
Shit, nothing, man.
Somebody sent a chart.
Can't get jiggy with this.
I can't get jiggy with this shit.
Let's see this chart.
Let's see this chart. Let me remove this first and bring it down there.
Hopefully they've labeled it.
Yeah, it better be labeled. Copy. Oh, okay. Some labels. Look.
Alright, cool.
Okay, so
Let's see.
oh, you're looking for a buy. Okay, waiting for 30-minute to close bullish above the zone to maybe 2044. Yeah, I mentioned this move on US 30. Or would be blessed to wait for price to reach around for going bow. Thing is, earlier we had a fake out to the top. So here. Earlier we had a fake out to the top, and this candle came back below the range, right? So it failed to continue coming down. So thing is now it comes back up to the range. I wouldn't trade this. Well, you can do two things here. I'll give my trade 2 chances. I'll enter once it breaks here. That's my first chance if my stop's below here, because this is the low anyways. Even if you enter up here, your stop will have to be below the hourly candle, wherever the 30-minute is, right? So you can enter here, have your stops here, and once it breaks this, eventually breaks this, maybe move your stops up to wherever the new 30-minute candle is. But the second chance you can have is maybe buys above here. Right, that'll make more sense. We're in this nasty range right now. But yeah, I'd rather get buys above here, up to here, and then eventually up to here. But this right now, I mean, it's up to you, man. It's up to you. Just next time you send a chart though, actually, yeah, it's fine. It's an okay chart. It's not bad. I was gonna say put more labels, but you explained it all here. That's good. Thing about charts, guys, don't feel shy saying your charts. You know, like even if you don't think, if you think like, oh, my chart's not good enough, you're never gonna get good enough if you don't send a chart. Like how I learned was I was sending charts. When I started, I would always send charts to people. They'll look at it and they'll give their input on it, and that's how you make changes and adjustments. But if you're not,
Yeah, we all trying to make ourselves better. All of us. That's why we all on this
Exactly.
call, YouTube, and all that.
if you're not saying a chart because you're not confident, then you're never gonna grow. You just because then you just have your own opinion every time. I mean, it's not wrong to have your own opinion, but if you're a new trader, I'll suggest getting opinions from other traders too. More experienced traders. I think Area gets respected. He doesn't get respected. Let's hold this area up. Let's see. Let's where's my drawing shit? We got a man. Guys holding it up for us. So let's just hope this area gets respected.
Damn, I got this. Wait, I got the same birthday as Quavo. God damn.
Quavo. Hey, y'all see my screen? Yeah.
Yo, what this man doing?
That man lift and weight with one
You trying to
weight.
push the
Heavy.
markets up?
Yeah, bro. But I'm trying to push the markets up. This shit's so slow.
Why is one side longer than the other?
Hey, yo, chill.
He trying to break his back. He trying to break his back, bro. Damn, that hurt.
Imbalance.
Imbalance. That's how dudes be at the gym trying to flex for the girls, bro. They gonna flex they shit all the time, bro.
Stream ended? Oh no, we're still good. We're still good. I think it.
Let's see.
Bro, I need my fucking need that LAN cable. So far from my room. I can't be streaming without a LAN cable.
Land?
Yeah. Wired connection, you know? Fuck. Yo, you said let's go buy. Wait for this candle to close. Should come up. An hourly time frame. Not gonna enter though. I don't trade this pair, but if you guys in the chat want to take it, you guys can take it. Your stops will have to be fat though. That's the only issue. If you were to enter on this candle, or buy stops above there, your stops will have to be like below here. This is a bad risk to reward, so I wouldn't suggest. But if you guys want to enter, you guys could. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a previous 30-minute low as well as a 1 hour low, right? And yeah, price comes up, it should do this. Respect that low. GJ is just in the range. So if you guys are wondering why there's nothing right now happening, it's just in the range. Nasty range. 30-minute range. I was kind of expecting today to be like this too though. Because I was like, tomorrow's NFP, right? So I think the day before the market, NFP is usually very slow. Like all the moves happened yesterday and today is just going to be like a little slow. How's Euro JPY though? I was looking at Euro JPY. Let's see. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Damn, this is a nice sell. Okay, so we got this dairy candle that closed bearish. Oh yeah, this area got tapped yesterday.
I was just looking at it.
Yeah, this is the sell we caught yesterday. Well, we closed early, but it was like around here, down to here. I was like, fuck. Yeah,
If it's hourly close below.
yeah.
Could
How
be,
many
but-
pips is it? It's like
I mean, it's not that many pips. Yeah.
it's like 10 pips, I swear. Right?
20. Or, I mean, to the bottom of the lowest wick, it's like 20. But
Yeah, your stops have to be huge though. Like your stops will have to be actually no, it's a 1-1, not bad. If you were to enter, it'd be like this.
I don't know. I don't want to enter. It doesn't.
13 pips, I'm not gonna go for it. Not worth it. Even though we know it's gonna come down, like sometimes you gotta like take the most high profitable trades though. If your ROI is not high, then don't enter, because this is just gonna flip bearish and just continue straight down. Because right now you have no traffic. No traffic. No traffic. Alright, This account closed bearish 1 hour. GJ closed bearish. Oh shit, we closed below. Oh,
Yeah, because
I'm gonna get in a.
retested.
If I get, well, hold on. If I get in a sell, my stops will have to be right here. Just mean that's respected. 19 pips. I go for it. Cause then this move was a fake up top. Kind of close below the range. 19 pip stop, 22 pip gain. It's not a high risk to reward. It's a like 101. I'm in. I'm in. Magic keys, where you at? Let's see. Should I enter? Let's see. Magic keys. Open up. Open up. Man, what the hell? Magic keys. Why is load up? Oh, Magic keys is lagging. Someone just entered. Open calc, man. What do you mean it doesn't work? What?
Sir?
Load up.
Fun?
Load up Magic keys. Okay. Maybe it doesn't want me to enter. That's why. Wait, what? Why aren't you working?
Sir?
Raja, I need a refund. Raja. Oh, I know why. Oh, I fixed it. Well, I don't know if I still want to enter now though. That kind of pissed me off. 30 minute, 50 minute. 30 minute close bearish. Let me see. Let me look at my chart again before I enter. This resistance got broken right here. This candle. They're gonna have a sell stop. My stops are too big though. It's not even a 1-to-1. It's like a 1.2 to 1. Yeah, I'm entering. Entering this trade. First trade of the day. Where's the TP? 15 minute. TP would be on this range. Actually down here. 133, 200. Open trade. I'm in.
Yes, sir.
I'm anticipating that this low is gonna get respected. This right here get respected. So I'm in from here, on just now. Stops right here. Okay, take profit. I'm gonna move it down a little bit. I think we can come down to potentially this area over here probably. Because this is a fake out. It's gonna come back into the range now. That's what this is. This is a fake up top, come back to the range. I'm expecting it to come down to here. A little more hard to see, but it is. I don't think this resistance is valid. Should not leave that there. Yeah, because this is the previous hour. Yeah, hour kind of close bearish below his range. I think right here. Respected over there. Just kind of like retesting up. Currently down 5 pips, 3 pips, 6 pips, 7 pips. Take profit is gonna be right here at this zone, 133, 105. So time frame is this hourly count? Hourly time frame. Yeah. 133, 105. I'm anticipating that this 30-minute has to this 30-minute candle has to respect. So for this to come down, we have to respect this high. So first trade of the day, see how it goes.
I entered a smaller lot in this because
I entered
it wasn't super clear.
I entered my normal lot size, but my bad. No, I entered my normal lot size. I think I can't count bullish. Fuck. You know what? I'm gonna close this. The reason why I close this position is because this 5-minute close is bullish. So what this could mean is this.
Looks like a fake out.
Yeah, so that's what it could mean. So pretty much I close the position, guys. But this 5-minute candle closed bullish, so this kind of has a high chance of since it broke the previous candle high, this kind of has a high chance of coming up and potentially coming up to here. So I closed bullish with I closed with 10 pips with how many pips was that? 10 pips? Around 9-10 pips. So
Yeah, around 10 pips.
I closed it early. I'm not gonna rush this. Yeah, I didn't really like the setup. Magic Keys is right. It told me not to enter. Yeah, if you guys took that trade, just close it. Close it, close it, close it.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Trade 1. GP, JPY. That's the first loss of the week, damn. JPY sells -10 pips. Yeah, I gotta wait for a buy. Closed early. Let me look at this again. Yeah, so if this candle comes back into the range, then this is a high chance of coming back. And since this candle broke the previous candle high, this kind of has a high chance of closing bullish and coming back up to here. Why I closed? Why I closed? Yeah. Because this 4-hour candle is still bullish, so overall trend is still up. 1-hour candle closed bearish, right? But the thing with this 1-hour candle that kind of tripped me out as well was the fact that it didn't have a top wick, right? So whenever you don't have a top wick, price usually comes back up. Make that wick on this candle. So this is like a little error for me. Yo, Sam, you're still in or you closed?
I close it, I close it.
Yeah, I closed. I closed with 10 pips. Loss.
Yeah, same, pretty much.
Just in order.
J cell would have been nice.
Yeah. EJ cell, yeah. But it was like 13
Oh.
pips. Like 13 pips. I didn't really. The rest of the word wasn't there. I don't know. Yeah, it was gonna come down. There's no traffic, but it was like.
It's just like a
Yeah.
like a valid trade, you know.
Let's look at this pair though.
I'm not touching anything till 8:30.
Let's look at this.
Bro, if GJ comes back down.
I don't care. It can come back down. It's not a valid setup for me though. Comes back down, it's whatever. Cause then I don't want to enter it and just be like fuck.
GU selling.
Yeah, GU selling. I'm looking for GU. Yeah, GU. This has a huge wick to the top on the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is close bearish, so this kind of has a high chance of coming back down because this resistance is made. Yeah. Yeah, because this is a fake out then. If this 1 hour count didn't have a top wick, then I probably would have entered, left it, but it kind of threw me off. Same as this 30-minute candle, didn't have a top wick, and that was supposed to be a stop loss. So I know this kind of came down to fill the previous kind of wick, right? But look, we're gonna reach like this minor support. I wasn't really messing with this. Right, this minor support right here has formed. First loss of the week, 10 pips. GJ 10 pips loss. Keep your losses small and your wins big. People are probably wondering, what am I gonna do now? Well, I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait until I see a potential setup. Maybe not this sell, but maybe if it comes back to the range, I might enter a buy because it'll be a fake out. But other than that, I'm not really looking at anything. Not gonna chase 10 pips. That was my first trade, so I got like one more trade. So one more trade, and that's it. That's my day. Because my rule is, if I get the first 2 trades correct, then I have chance for a third trade. But since I got the first trade wrong, then that's my only trade. I mean, I got one more trade left. Two trades a day. Because if I take a loss in the second trade, then that's it. That's my day. Then just be chasing the markets after. Close your MT4 and just call it a day. Because then tomorrow we got NFP. Might be slow. Right till news then. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute close. Yeah, this would be a better setup because then you have no traffic after this. Whenever's in that range. Because this 5-minute right now, this 5-minute candle is now breaking this candle low. Right here, it's breaking this previous candle low. So this kind of has a high chance of coming down, right? That's a good sign. But I'm not in it. Because now we have a high chance of breaking support on the next 5-minute candle. So if this candle closes doji or whatever, closes bearish, then the next candle has a very high chance of coming down. And this might be the start of the trend, but this 30-minute wick, top wick, was what's throwing me off right now. And I don't want to be in a trade and not be confident with it. Like, you know what I mean? Because if I enter this trade, like let's say there's a top wick here, I'll enter a trade and being like, okay, cool, we have a top wick, everything's fine. I'll be confident with it. But if I enter this trade, this thing will be will like tell me in my head like, what if it comes back up to make that top wick? What if it comes up to make that top wick? And I don't want to have that feeling, or to have a certain feeling that's coming down than just a what if feeling, you know? If you enter a trade and you're thinking what if, then don't enter the trade. If you're entering a trade, make sure you stick with it, you know? Make sure it's like, yeah, cool. Good trade. How are gold spreads though? The gold's coming back up. 10 pips, man? Oh man. 15 minutes ago was bullish. Yo, gold is bullish, man. Gold is bullish. Oh man. Gold is bullish. Bullish. Oh my god. See, if gold spreads weren't high, this would be my trade today. Because I know GG's not moving as much and gold is moving. So that's why I had 2 pairs. If one pair doesn't work, then another pair usually moves. When they both move, that's a golden day. But today, this is gold's moving today. Like this morning, I entered a buy from over here. I got in and the spreads went super high, so I closed it with like 10 pips. Right? But damn. Gold is bullish. Should come up. So probably this area today. 15, 1610 is as a target for today for gold. If you enter right now, your stops will have to be like 70 pips. Not worth it. Slow day today. GCAD. Oh, there's your J. Yeah, your JPY is heading down to the target. So
I'm waiting on the GA buy.
GA, I took that off my list. the spread, the pips are too big. I don't know. It's really not much today. Maybe not yet. I mean, maybe like yeah, the pound. I'm still bullish on pound pairs. I'm just waiting on this GJ to like make its find its direction and just continue down. Yeah, this 5-minute count is gonna continue down. All right. So since this 15-minute candle is breaking the low of the previous bullish candle, like you'll see that this candle is bullish, right? This candle is bearish and this candle is bullish. Since this candle is breaking the previous bullish candle, this candle failed to make a higher low. Right, it failed to do this. So now what this candle is doing is it's doing this. It came up, higher high, and boom, broke the low. So now this candle's continue to come back down. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. So 40 minutes to the 1 hour kind of close. Yo, Sam, you get back in or no? Okay.
No, I didn't.
Hello traders, hello our traders. I'm in. I had sell stops. Yeah.
You had sell stops?
No, not me. Some guy. I'm not in. But although it should come down. 5-minute looking good.
It's kind of ugly.
I don't know. I think this 5-minute broke the previous kind of bullish, kind of low. Or this 15-minute at least. So I don't know. It's come down. It's doing what it's supposed to do.
Four hours and 40 minutes.
Why is my mouse moving so weird? Why is my mouse moving like that? Let's see. That's better. Yeah, see, it's respecting the support now. So a clear trade would be entering a sell from maybe here down to here. This would be a way clearer setup. Way more clear. We didn't have support here. Yeah, see? So it's respecting that level. News in 8 minutes. So we have news in 8 minutes, so that's a good thing. We have some movement probably at 8. I'm expecting gold to come up. Anyways. My target for today for gold is 1622. Right? Easy target. 1622 for gold. Man, I think what we should do is wait for this hour candle to close. 4-hour candle to close. Because this 4-hour candle will determine the direction for us. If it closes bullish like this, then it's probably going to come up because we have this wick to fill, but it has to close above this range. And if this closes bearish, then we'll probably come down. So this 4-hour candle will determine the direction. See in any news, we have 6 minutes left. So we have Canadian news, Canadian dollar, and we have the dollar news. So we're expecting we're expecting bad news for both. Well, if this candle closes bearish, like below here, probably gonna look for sell entries, right? Another sell entry, because if you want a 4-hour, if it closes below there, this candle will be bearish. So it should continue to come down.
Dang, that big wick, bro.
Yeah, it's a fat wick. But if it closes bearish, then if it closes bullish of a fat wick, then I'm probably not gonna do anything. So, interesting. I think man, GG is being tough. It doesn't know it doesn't know what it wants to do. Like it's just like it's in this range right now. It doesn't know if it wants to sell or buy. If it closes here within 30 minutes, then I don't know. We have a minute till 30-minute closes. Oh man, let me.
You guys not doing nothing.
None. I think if you get a closure bullish, might have a chance coming up back up. Because we're anticipating that this is a 1-hour low. To make this top wick. It has to close a strong but bit bullish. You know, if you enter on the next candle, your stops have to be below here, anticipating that this will respect it. Continue to reverse up to here. Right, so it'll be like that. You enter. It have to be a strong close. Let's see. Let me delete my chart. It's a little too crazy right now. So, look. Day candle. Target today would be right here. Here. You have a nice resistance right here. So this is right there. 4-hour candle. Top wick to fill. Supported by this. 1 hour. Oh shit! Come back bearish. 30-minute close bullish, right? But if this kind of didn't have a top, this is just fucked today. Yo, Sam, look at this shit. This kind of closed bullish. The next kind of came down with no top wick.
Oh
Yeah,
my
It's
god.
a setup. It's a setup, bro. What happened to news? What happened to news? Yeah,
Bruh,
bearish.
6 million unemployed, bruh.
Yeah. Yeah, this is
Jesus
bearish for
Christ.
today.
Serious? That's fucked.
Bro, that's double the number.
Wait, what's the
bruh.
forecast?
The
3?
forecast was 3.5 million, but
That's
it
fucked.
bro, what the fuck? Damn.
Wow.
Yo, all I gotta say is NFP.
NFP.
Oh, it's done deal, bro.
But
We already
yo,
know
but
something
it might be manipulated tomorrow. That's why I'm not trading it because everyone knows it's gonna come down, right? But everyone's gonna be
Yeah.
entering sell, and
Because
it's
that's
gonna
what
be
happened,
manipulated.
like, last week, right? Or
But it's
like
probably
2 days ago.
priced in.
It's gonna be pricing today. For sure.
Be priced in a day then.
It happened on Monday. I remember.
That's so
'cause
fucked, bro.
I thought it was finna sell, but as soon as the news dropped, it did sell, and then went like shooting right back.
Yeah,
up.
it's coming down, man. Coming down.
What's
This
going on, gold? I mean,
Nah.
the dollar?
Yeah, dollar.
Yeah. Holy. Sick.
Bruh, 6 million. That's crazy. Fuck. but hold on, cause two of the other one moves came out good.
The last folder came out bad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this should continue to come down.
Oh yeah.
I'm not trading this pair though. But yeah. So
Hold on, it's shooting back up. Hold on. Hold.
I didn't even know Alex was in here.
oh, Alex.
Alex. You know this guy who existed.
Damn, 6.65 million. Yeah. Okay.
Yo,
Yeah.
are you guys applying for that $2,000 check thingy?
That's only in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah. US, they only giving us $1,200 once.
Yep, and they got mad restrictions on it.
Right. And it's getting taxed. We're fucked.
Yeah.
Right.
Bro, why tax money that you got that like
1,200. That barely even
Bro.
covers groceries for like.
Bro, you know what
1,200 is
sucks?
what I spent on the
1,200?
drip. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. No, but
Yeah.
like 1,200 can't even cover like rent. That
Rent.
sucks.
Yeah. They don't care about us.
Plus utilities too, bruh. Like
The hell's 1,200 gonna do to you?
The Wi-Fi, bruh.
Wi-Fi is like a good $50.
Yo, that
Well-
shit is essential, bruh.
For real, though.
Wi-Fi money. But yeah, bruh.
I mean, you can
1,200
cut money from your food. There's that, bro. We're gonna be starving.
Oh yeah.
That must suck though.
Bruh.
But even in Toronto, like even if people apply for 2K in Toronto, like if you're living in downtown, you're screwed. You're actually done for. Cause rent a K up.
This is just today. It's just a setup for tomorrow. People are gonna lose their money
Yeah.
today. So I gotta move
Even
tomorrow.
enter any trade today.
I took one sell. That's it. Well, I technically broke even for today because I took 10 pips to profit in gold this morning and 10 pips loss.
Honestly, bro, I'm probably gonna go for a run soon and call it a day. I don't even think I'm trading today or tomorrow.
US30 is an easy sell though. Like this shit was an easy sell. Like I'm talking about GJ though. GJ
Oh,
doesn't
fuck.
move, but US30 this shit looks clear sell. I just don't trade this pair.
Oh, I
But
forgot
my
I was
pairs
gonna
are
sell
just-
with Jur.
Yeah, it's because it's gonna come down for the rest of the day
Yeah.
because
I'm selling Jur right now. Forgot.
I say I forgot. This guy just said he's not in a trader. So I say I forgot. What?
Bro, I entered it in the morning at like 6:30. And I went back to sleep.
Guy entered, closed his eyes, and we just wish for the best. Yeah, it should easily come down here. 21,600. Yesterday's daily candle closed bullish. I mean bearish. So once this candle, this candle does have a bond wick, right? So once this candle flips bearish, it's gonna come all the way down here, all the way down. So should fill that wick right here easily. Easily. Oh man. GJ, what are you doing? Bringing it low? Nice.
Yo, Don, what's the rule for trading? Like, if you lose like 2 in a row, that's like done for the day or what?
Yeah. Like this past week, I haven't lost all week though. This is like my first
I know
loss
you
of the
haven't
week.
lost.
So like this, like
How
yeah,
many trades do you limit to yourself for a day?
2, 3.
2, that's pretty good.
Like usually, like the first 2 trades if they're good, I might enter a third one. But if the first 2 trades are, if I get 1 loss in the first and 1 win, then that's it. Just 1 loss and 1 win. Like this right today, if I get 1 more win, I'm done.
6 million. That's
But yo, but y'all got a better in like Canada, cause $2,000 a month for 4 months.
yeah.
Bro, that's 8 bands. But America, they just gave us like a Cheeto freaking.
Oh,
that's
you're
gonna
from
get
America?
first- Yeah, I'm from Atlanta.
Oh shit.
But yeah, but I'm still working. But it's just like the people that in my house that's not working. $1,200 ain't shit, bro. Our mortgage is $1,200. But I take care of the other bills, so we straight. So basically,
Hey, gold came up to
I'm
tap
still
that
working.
area right here.
Mm.
1610 perfectly. Man, I could just call it gold left and right, man. Fuck. Spreads, man, spreads. Too much for
I'm
me.
just saving up right now. I still got my job, man. Cause, bruh, I'm gonna flip that 1,200 they give to me. That's for real. I'm put like $300 in my account, and then with the $900 just chill.
Today's a boring day. Most boring day of the week. Everything's
Usually,
just...
this week of NFP is like boring.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly counter to close, man.
But I miss the old NFT, man.
Man,
Like,
it hasn't been good NFP since like last year.
Bro,
yeah,
I
bruh.
miss when gold was in the 1300, bro. 13, 1400. Bro, those were the good NFTs.
I miss when gold had normal spreads. That's what I miss. These moves are so
Oh
simple.
yeah, that's a fact.
These moves are so easy to catch. I can't catch it, man. Spreads are
So
just...
America is basically giving everyone like 1,200. That's it, like per month.
Yeah, 1,200 once. Whatever you do.
Like what's like the rules to qualify for that?
Let's see. No job. You
Oh,
gotta
really?
do like
No
some
job?
paperwork. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Bro, they
No
said
job,
even if you're a college student, you still can't get it.
Yeah, you
'cause-
can't get it.
No, I
Yeah,
can't
that's
get it. No, like see for Canada here, like you have to have a job or like to apply at least for the 2K thing.
Yeah, bro, that's the most messed up part about it. Dude, that's in
You can have
college.
a job, be a college student, but like if you get claimed as dependent by your parents or something, disclosure.
You can't get it.
That's actually
The
a
wackest
for
part.
college students.
That's like the brokest, like not to be no dickhead, but that's the brokest class, and
Yeah.
like they're not letting you get it.
Yo, you know what I feel?
like-
feel bad for international students that are like staying in their.
Oh yeah, that's staying here, they're done. I mean, except for like the Middle Easterns, you know, they parents is getting money sent over. But I'm talking about like
Yeah,
the broke international students. Oh, they're done for, bro. I'm
honest
sorry.
to God.
Because like one, they're not fluent in English. Two, like they can't work because they just came here to do school. You know, they only like apply for a student visa, not like a work visa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're fucked. I'm sorry, man.
And people will be living from paycheck to paycheck.
Oh, dumb the people, that's the worst. I told my friends, bro, like some type of recession or bullshit that's gonna happen soon.
Yeah.
Just save your money, don't be dumb. But I literally see them every weekend, go to the club, whatever.
Yeah, they still
And
go.
like, hell yeah. And like, I remember they was clowning me, like trading or whatever. Not, I'm like, all right, you clowning.
Bro, I bought a hazmat suit and a gas mask.
Shit.
Every man was
Listen,
clowning me,
ready.
bro. Until there's like 1,000 cases in Toronto now.
All right.
Nah, I'm actually scared, bro. Like Toronto might be the next New York City.
Yeah. Cause, bro, y'all right next to New York City. What you mean? Y'all right next to the epicenter.
Bro, and we have like people are literally breeding on top of each other in Toronto too. That's that. We're right next to Quebec too, and Quebec has like probably the most cases in Canada right now.
Dang. Where's that? Like north or?
To our right.
Oh, it's all right.
West. I mean east. My bad, east.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
freaking New York City's below us, right? So like, and they have most cases too, and like we're literally in the middle, so that's that. Oh,
Bro, in Atlanta, bro, you don't even want to know the number right now, bro.
wow, what's the number in Atlanta?
All right, little on Saturday, right? It was
Mm.
1,200 something.
That's
Yesterday it was like 4,300 something.
just in Atlanta,
Yeah,
4,000.
just in Atlanta. That's cases, and people that died is like 60, 70, or something like something like
Bro,
that.
you know
But
there's
yo,
actually like young people dying from Corona.
Yeah,
once I
there's
heard,
a
like, that
13
21
year old.
Bro,
Yeah.
there's a 18-year-old kid in the
Yo,
UK that-
CAD JPY got fucking sunk.
Yeah,
Just like expect, yeah, this target, this counts to embarrass on the daily time frame. This is an easy target for today, 74.300.
bruh.
Holy.
I think I know how USD Max moves now, bro. So when US30 drops, it goes up. I think that's how it works. I think that's for sure how it works.
Oh my god.
Wait, did I just? Ah,
What
okay,
the
it moves in
hell?
opposites. Now I know. Now I know. It's over now. I'm finna book my flight to Mexico using fucking USD mix.
Holy shit, guys.
Holy.
What a drop.
Oh my.
Called it this morning. So it's gonna drop
What?
today.
What? U30?
No, CAD GPY. Yeah, U30 should drop. Should drop.
Yeah.
Very confident. Yesterday's daily kind of closed bearish, right? So this has a high
Yeah.
chance of coming down.
Bruh, do y'all think like it's gonna hit like some like
My target,
17 area?
like it has for that to happen, it has to break this. It has to break 20, and then it has to break 19, then it has to break these levels over here. Cause you have a lot of levels to
Cause
get
look,
there.
cause it got to 18.
Yeah, so
And it
usually
was like
it should come
right
back. It
there.
should come back, retest this area. But I'm not gonna swing this shit. I wouldn't swing it, cause
Hell no.
like if I were to catch this move,
Yeah.
I don't know, target wouldn't be like, just have it at the next support.
Yeah, cause if you look at the monthly for U30, right? It retested like right above that wick from December 2016, and then bounced right off of it. But right now, for like all this bad news that's coming out, bruh, I think it
Alright,
might
me,
touch the
me see.
17th.
Me too.
But yeah, bruh, Atlanta's crazy right now. That's why like I'm always wearing gloves and mask when I'm at work, bruh.
Bro, I have like the black nitrile gloves,
Oh nah, you going crazy,
bruh. Bro, I stocked up on so much shit.
bro. When I tell you how mad I was trying to buy some hand sanitizer just for my house, bruh.
Price
They
gouging?
were sold out. They
Oh,
were sold out. As soon as like they dropped it in, they just bought it all. I'm like, bro, are you serious?
bro, it's actually
Bro.
hilarious, bro. My friend has like been selling hand sanitizer. Like he makes his own hand sanitizer. So
Oh
good.
hell no. Entrepreneur, bro.
Buying it and shit. It's so funny.
Entrepreneur.
Hey, GJ came down today.
Hey,
The original target.
It's going to
133.
yeah 133 next, and after that 132.
Yeah, so if this was a fake out on an hourly time frame,
715.
yeah, I think since this is a fake out right here, we're in this range right now, over here. This is the range, right? Cause coming back into the range. So what happened here was, hold on, go back on my mouse, range. This is oh my god, the range. Right? This is the range. So what happened here was, next target is gonna be, I think, down here. So what happened here was this shit in the range, broke out of the range this morning, pre-New York, right? And then this New York candle came down back into the range. So this candle, if it closes below, it should retest this high on the range and continue to fill the range, and then eventually break the range. This is my analysis for GJ. If we were still in, I think I would have probably closed like half of my positions right now and just let a runner run all the way down to here. That's what I would have done. CAD JPY just like dropped.
Exploded.
is there CAD news today or what?
Yeah, it was.
Which one?
Trade balance.
Oh,
Wait, so for the Canada 2,000 a month, what do you have to do to apply for it?
gotta be a worker and have evidence that you're losing income, basically.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh damn, your JPY looks like it's gonna drop today. Holy shit. Let's see. Daily time frame. Next support is this area down here.
I think I'm looking at USD mix for the rest of the day. Treating me good.
What happened with the yen pairs today? Let me check. Let me check news.
It was like banking news last night or this morning. I forgot. Yeah, it was last night.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, retail news, industrial production.
Yeah, I think GJ's gonna drop. Come fill his range. Yeah, it should drop. It should drop. This will make sense if it drops now, because this has been a fake out. So the direction that we called earlier was correct. Just confirmation wasn't there. I swear half of my directions, like 85+% of the time, it's always correct. I'll never guess a wrong direction. It's just my entries are off. And exits. Sorry, lost this trade. Close too early.
Bro, it's crazy how I'm gonna explain 2020 to my kids, man.
I know.
Where do I start off, kids?
Yo, watch Fall Cabal on YouTube.
Who's that?
It's a documentary on COVID-19. It's crazy. Yeah. So search on YouTube Fall Cabal.
Fall, how you spell that?
FALL space Cabal CABAL. CABAL, yeah. It's like a 3-part COVID-19 thing.
We'll watch it in a minute. I'm trying to get these last few trades in frame.
It's a bunch of like whistleblowers talking about like in China. Like, you know, China had like a protocol at the airport for COVID-19 even before COVID-19 started, and people are like, how did they even know?
How do you know that shit?
Yeah. Bill Gates is a smart man. This guy invested in like every pharmaceutical company.
Very smart.
Once they come out with the vaccine, he's gonna make so much money. It's crazy.
Yeah. He's done like all the money that he's losing now, he's gonna get it back.
Bro, you know what Jeff Bezos? He sold $4 billion worth of like
Bezos.
stocks. And I'm like, but like that's so sus, because like who does that? Like he did.
Holy shit, GJ is
the hell?
dropping.
Shit.
Sir.
The direction was correct. Eh. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Thing is,
But yeah.
yeah, not looking at this.
Bezos, I'm telling you, he's gonna make all that money that he lost.
Bro, he sold 4 billion worth of Amazon stocks. This guy short sold his own company.
Bro, this dude that works for the like I forgot what branch of government he worked for, but he knew about the
COVID?
coronavirus. Yeah.
Like before,
So
even before.
Yeah, he sold all his stocks and he's about to go to federal prison.
Yeah, that's why everyone is like thinking like that's so sus. Like, cause bro, Jeff, this guy spit in like February too. This guy like literally sold it from the top.
Yeah, cause like
So
he had the inside information and he wasn't supposed to sell it until like they told him to, but he sold it like mid-February and then put it all in hotel stock so he won't lose the money.
what a smart boy.
Smart with them.
Yeah, but he's getting fucked for that. He's
going like federal prison. Like, he's done. Like Jerome finna say what's up to him when he walks in. He's done for.
China's been trying to make a biological weapon to control the masses because there was like a bunch of protests. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, brother.
There was like a bunch. There's like a shitload of protests in like February in China. Crazy.
This stream was
Oh, yeah,
so
same.
boring, man.
Yeah, man. I think the most funniest part of the stream was my life stories.
Yeah, bro. This stream was funny though. It was funny, but it was just like the trading was so boring.
Yeah. Just gotta slice it up.
But I think we might get chance sells below here. It's just that stops gonna be a little big. Like, if,
Yo, I wish I
Stops.
held my CAD JPY.
yeah, I
sale.
told you it was gonna come down. You should have held it, bro.
Yeah, I had a sell yesterday too.
That was yesterday, bro.
I was
Get out of
thinking,
here.
I'ma just have a safe TP.
Could
on
have
it.
swung that.
Nope.
Yeah. My runner would have been running right now. Still to here, cause this is a fake out. So the chances of price coming back into the range is like 85% chance, and then the chances of it breaking that range and coming further down is like a 75% chance. So it should come down to here. Like it should, or come down to like this range down here. Should come down and fill this range now.
Damn, I wish I held, man.
Sorry.
It's alright. It's alright, champ.
This man said, champ.
Godly.
Yeah, it's coming down.
A lot of people will be chasing this trade right now. A lot. Don't chase it, guys. Don't chase it. Just because we took it and we closed like negative 10 pips doesn't mean you gotta chase the move now. That's how you're gonna lose more money. More money. You don't want to lose more money. You want to gain more money. So to gain more money, you need to be patient, and you need to learn, wait for better opportunities to trade. Because now in your brain, I know exactly what's going on in your brain. Your brain is telling you you want to enter a sell because you don't want to miss it. And it's gonna be the best sell of the year. No, tomorrow's gonna be a better trading day. Today was a boring trading day.
Big FOMOs. That's what they're getting.
So my daily, my my daily results. If the stream ends as of right now, if it were to end, then my daily results would be break even for the day. So people think if you break even, you can trade to be profitable. No, that's wrong. If you break even, you're break even. You took 2 trades, you're done. You're good. Right? This target should come down to here. However, if this candle were to close with a huge wick up here, if it were to retrace a little bit, I'll enter a sell. Just my stops will have to be like over here. But if it comes down too far, then that move's done, man. Missed the move. So let's hope it retraces a little bit so we can get something in. This is for sure, so. Look what I did here. Same thing but the opposite direction. Look what you have here. You have a fake out. Here, price came back up to fill the range and then broke the range, retested the range, and continued to go back up. But here to here is like 85% chance of it filling the range, and here to here is like the 75% chance. So what happened here? Price came back. This is a fake out on a bigger time frame now, right? On an hourly time frame, this is a fake out. So same thing just happened, but this is the opposite way on a bigger time frame. So this bigger time frame took over that small time frame. You're gonna see it happen right here. You're gonna see we had a fake out. This is a fake out, this big move, and then price came back down to the range. Filled the range, and now it should come down to here. Yeah, man. Today is just a bunch of fuckery.
Wait, did you miss GJ?
Nah, because this 30 minute didn't have a top wick, and it also closed bullish, right? Like the entry we had was good. It's just it didn't have a top wick here, man. If there was a top wick, I would have been very confident in it, but Cause I called this fake-o. I'm like, this is a fake-o if price comes back into this range.
You could have entered on the last 15-minute close.
Yeah, you could enter there. Just your stops would be too big.
Yeah.
Like unless you enter based off this candle flip. Bring the low of this candle. Be an aggressive stop loss, but price's range is coming back, so we might get a nice entry in first sell if it closes below this range. Cause stops will have to be like maybe if you go short on this, this will be a better trade. Your stops will have to be here, and your TP will have to be here.
Sure, 4 hour too.
Yeah, 4 hour closed bearish, and it closed below these wicks, right? So target take can actually be down here. So we're probably gonna have a runner, right? So let's see. Target today is not there. Target today is gonna be right here. This target today. So what I'm gonna do is probably enter a sell with my TP right here. But after it hits TP, I'm gonna have my half position running to down here. It just looks overall bearish today. Because yesterday it closed bearish, but I broke the yesterday's high, so I don't know. It's a little bit tricky day today. Very tricky. But we might get sell opportunities in here.
It needs to close below that little consolidation though. I don't
Yeah.
really wanna.
Yeah, it does.
I wanna deal with that.
How's it close like right here? Right where this thing is. This is my target for today. 132.548.
Yes, sir. Fucking yeah. 3 candles, no top wick.
Yeah, it might close above the range, so thing is, if you were to enter, your stops will have to be here, wherever it is. If you're anticipating, if you're anticipating that it's gonna break, right? Because it didn't actually break, so now you gotta anticipate it. It'll be a way more risky entry, but you can probably work something out. But see, you got the 30 seconds. Let's push down. Push down. Get my magic keys ready in case anything happens. Cause now this 15-minute candle has a huge wick to fill. Huge. It opened.
Close in that range.
Ah man, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I'm not trying to, I don't know.
I'm not.
Take
Today
it when it closes right
is a
there.
bad day. I already kind of closed. You know what? Ah. Not worth it. In the range. On an hourly time frame, it doesn't look bad though. Cause on an hourly time frame, it's respecting this. It came down there. Just at this range now. Cause your enter, you have to anticipate the move. Yeah, I think might be done for the day. I don't want to force anything. I don't want to do anything. It's a bad day. It's not a bad day, but it's like not tradable day, right? So at this point,
Yeah.
like there's no point. I'm just watching the markets because then you're just gonna wanna force trades. You know, took one trade today, sells, 10 pip loss. Cool. Call it a day. Slow day, yeah. Well, it's not a slow day. It's just we didn't get the proper confirmations that we needed. You know, like the sell we had, it wasn't a bad, like it was. I based it off of if you guys look at it, the sell that I had was. I looked at it like this. Where is it? I looked at it like this. So let's just cover this all up. Let's just go
Oh,
to.
GU might be better.
Yeah, this sell I had like this. I had a range here. And I also had a range down to here. Right? And I was anticipating that this move up here was the fake out. Right? I was anticipating that this is the fake out and price was gonna eventually drop down to fill his range and then come down to here. But the thing about this is there's no top wick on 30-minute time candle, so that's why we closed it with 10 pips loss. Right, this candle didn't have a top wick. We just entered a sell.
Me.
For what?
GU.
Oh, GU? Look,
Fuck, it's too late of an entry, but whatever.
now you're good.
Yeah.
Should be good.
I'm in GA buys.
Oh, GA buys?
Yeah.
How can you call a fake out? You can't. You don't know. Thing is, you don't know when a fake out's gonna happen. Like you can get faked
Let's
out,
go.
right? But like you can anticipate. You can work with a fake out, but you can't really do anything with the fake out.
I closed 3/4 of GU. Wow, that was quick.
133, 493.
Quick odds.
Yeah. See. So this. See how this arrow candle closed. The arrow candle look nice on GJ. Look very nice. Yeah, but fuck it. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Yo, GU is way nicer.
Yeah, GJ looks way nicer.
I'm glad I just caught that.
Yep, because we have this range. Broke. There you have this target over here. It's gonna get filled. Stops would have been, let's see on this candle, open, stops would have been. Yeah. Stops would have been like right here. 20 pips for 30 pips. It's alright. It's alright.
I took profit at that wick fill pretty much, but it was
Yeah.
like a little bit less than 10 pips, but
What else is there? EJ should be dropping. Yeah, EJ is dropping. EJ is dropping. CAD GPY is. Oh shit. Rejected this area. Hey, this is a move though, right here. So you look what you have. This will be a nice move. This would be a very nice move. I've seen this shit play out so many times. So what do you have here? You have this support. Right, this support here. It's at support right now, right? Based off this. So if this hourly candle closes bullish right here, because this move is a huge move down, right? Obviously price has to retrace back up. So if this candle closes bullish right here, I'm gonna enter a buy.
yeah,
Right.
that's a buy.
But like obviously the stream, I don't think I'm gonna have time to stream because it's gonna be like 10 o'clock or something. But we're gonna enter a buy if it closes bullish. So the next candle is gonna come up like this, right? And then it's continue up all the way up to fill this area now. So it has to retrace the zone, the top zone. right? This would be a nice opportunity for a buy. I think my trading doesn't be done by then, so I don't know. I'll see how it goes, but if I enter this buy, my stops would have to be below this hourly candle. That's if we close bullish, right? We have like 50 minutes left. So you're probably gonna see something like this. So you guys can screenshot this if you guys want. Wait for this candle to close bullish. You guys can enter. Yeah, because this support got look what happened here in the past. This candle closed bullish, right? So this candle right here came down to support, closed bullish. All these candles respected this low. This low was respected throughout the whole time, and then prices started to go back up to retrace the area. Because now we're in a range. We're in this range right now, this 4-hour range. So you might see, but let's see how this hourly candle closes. Yeah, GG is coming down.
Yeah, it should for that work.
Yep. You were enter short. I've seen this move play out. If you enter short, your stops have to be 20 pips. Not worth it. Now this is gonna break, right? So if you were to enter short here, basically looking at this, you can just tell that this candle right now is breaking the previous candle low right here. So then when it breaks that low, this candle should just straight drop down to here, right? The stops would have been like right here if you had to sell stop. Cause look, we had a lower, higher high made, higher low, higher high. This is just a break of structure, higher high, and just breaking down. That's what it is, right? So even if I see this opportunity for a sell, I wouldn't enter because I'm kind of done for a day. It's like 9 o'clock. My trading day is over. Pretty much done. Also, I saw this move kind of late too. Coming straight down. Cause look, I said that earlier. I anticipated that this is gonna break this low. It didn't actually close below, but we anticipated that it was gonna close below because this has a huge wick to fill, and also this closed below these other candles right here, right? All these wicks close below, close right here. So this has a high chance coming down. So sometimes even if you don't get it closed below, you can still anticipate the move. So what makes you call that one is happening? What do you mean, which one? Which one are you talking about? Actually, I can. Pretty much just back testing. If that's your answer, just back testing and seeing the move happen multiple times, seeing it play out multiple times, executing on that type of entry multiple times. It takes practice. It's in my course though. So if you guys interested, go on controlfx.com right here. Can you say your opinion about USD JPY? You can send a chart. I'll look at it. This course, I'll teach fake outs. Yeah, fake outs have never failed me yet. I think Roger Cost sells. Pretty sure. Check. Nope, he didn't. This would be a move though. He anticipated this move. Yeah, man. Target is gonna be down here. Yeah, man, target is coming down.
This is a 30, 40 pip move.
Yep. Well, guys, yo, I'm gonna end the stream, but I'm gonna leave the call. So, hold on, let me look at USD JPY for someone else. I might as well look at it. I'm not really looking at anything right now. USD JPY sells, man, sells. That's all I can tell you. What do you have here? You have a bearish candle closure, so price should come up down to here. Simple. You have support being formed right here. Price breaking the previous candle low on the hourly time frame. This candle should come down and fill this wick. Just that. I guess it's this is like a 5 pip move though, so I can tell you it's coming down in that area today. Yesterday's candle closed bearish, so this candle should come down eventually. Once it breaks this target, we should be heading down to like down here, but this is a story for another day. I don't think it's gonna do it all today. Send your chart though, next time.
Fuck yo, my TPW got smashed.
For GU,
Fuck. Yeah.
it's a lot of sell momentum. Everything's just come down. When the news dropped, everything's come down. Dollar news, everything. It's like a gold. Gold is forming support here. So if this 50-minute kind of closes bullish, then we have a high chance coming back up. So it fills range now, right? Because it would be in this range. What else is there? US 30 should be coming back down. Yeah, US 30 is coming down. So we broke the previous 4-hour candle low. So this should easily come down to like maybe 2560 or like maybe 2200. But don't rush anything, guys. Take it slow. What did GU do today? GU. Tomorrow's NFP. GU is coming down. Damn. How many pips did that move, Sam? That shit was 30 pips. Yeah. I'm gonna end the stream now. I'm gonna leave the Zoom call up. If you guys like the stream, please leave a like. I know we didn't really catch anything today, but not every day's a trading day, so tomorrow we'll be back. NFP, so come for NFP tomorrow. Leave a like.